Let's do Bulldozer dance with me.
Okay, I have a really fun game. We'll do the dozer dance when we hear the music, but when you don't hear music and it stops, you need to freeze. Yeah, okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Hold your arms out, march in place. Left foot, right foot, keep the pace. Move your arms up and down. Crouch and crouch down to the ground. Turn your hands. Bulldozer. We're dancing like a bulldozer. We're dancing like a bulldozer. The bulldozer dance, stand up tall, on 2 feet from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise it high.